Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a review day and I'm going to be reviewing on the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara. I got it today. I got it from Nykaa. I got it from Nykaa for 550 rupees. So they didn't have any discount going on. It is like everybody's talking about the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama, so I thought why not just order it and shoot a review on this one. So this I got for 550 rupees and without any discount, and the packaging is like very cool. I love the packaging. This is the metallic red and this is the metallic pink. So metallic pink is the container and metallic red is the brush from where you open this. So it looks like this and I love the packaging. I love the packaging. And yes, so when you open it, the wand looks like this. Let me just show you the wand. It looks like this, which has very tiny bristles, but I'll just show you. I liked it when I applied this, so I really like it. So the bristles are like very tiny one. You can see how tiny they are. The original packaging, and I'm just gonna quickly go through what it says. It is pushed up lashes, dramatic volume and lift, and this is the blackest black color. Let me just get close to you. Ophthalmologist tested and perfect for contact lens wearers like me. I wear contact lenses like daily, and to use for best results, sweep lashes from root to tip, repeating until desired lift and volume is achieved. Do not let dry between your coats. So it says that do not let dry between your coats, so you have to coat it like you don't wait for this to settle. This is what it says. So let me just show you how this looks. So I'm gonna be testing on my these lashes, the right one. So I don't have a mirror. I'm just gonna be following the screen. Wow. I like the fact that it separates your eyelashes like very nicely. It's not something which is like a clumsy and it's forming lumps. I like it, and I also like to curl my lashes like this so that they get a good coat of mascara. Nice. Really like it, so I'm just gonna go on my other eye as well. So let's get it.
I think it's perfect. I love it.
Okay, so talking about the variants, we have two variants. One is the waterproof one and one is the washable one. So I have like so many waterproof mascaras. Like I have 3-4 which I use and they all are waterproof, so I really wanted something which is like washable one. So I got this one in the washable one. You can get it in like waterproof or washable, so it's really up to you. Now, if I would have to give this mascara points from like 5 on a scale of 5, I will give this one easily 4.5 because this is so good. The fragrance is like very chocolatey, caramelly. It's not something which is like 100% chocolatey flavor, but it's, yes, it has this essence of chocolate, which I love, which I really like. I think you can yourself see the lift and the the difference this has made on my eyelashes. So I really like it. I think for me it's a big thumbs up. And that's all, and I hope you like this video, and give this video a big thumbs up if you think that this video was helpful to you. And that's it. Keep loving, keep liking, and keep sharing. Bye.